Welcome to a new level of modern storytelling. Introducing vertical multi-screen transitions, boasting 100 uniquely designed transitions, tailored specifically for social media creators, content producers, and video editors, all customizable to your needs. Immerse your audience into your story. Each transition is fully customizable, with flexible duration control and adjustable animation speed. A handy and effective tool that evolves your video storytelling to a whole new level. Easy to use and intuitive project, suitable for beginners and professionals. With our universal multi-screen design, seamlessly split your screen into multiple sections, making this template ideal for a diverse range of content. Smooth transitions that keep your viewer engaged and your narrative flowing. Perfect for all types of vertical video content, from social media stories and reels to promotional materials and mobile ads. Your story is unique, and we have a transition to match. Now it's time to unveil all the transitions this pack has to offer.